Campaign Monitor versus Drip. If you're looking for the best email marketing software for e-commerce, you're in the right place. Both tools promise automation, personalization, and better customer engagement. But which one actually delivers? Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll know which one fits your business best, and I'll also share a better alternative that gives you more value for your money. First, let's talk about ease of use. Campaign Monitor has a clean interface, great for beginners. Drag and drop email design? Super simple. But when it comes to automation, it's a bit basic. If you need advanced workflows, you might feel limited. Drip, on the other hand, is built for e-commerce. It's got powerful automation, but the learning curve is steeper. If you're new to email marketing, Drip can feel overwhelming. Next thing, automation. Drip wins here. It's designed for online stores, offering deep Shopify and WooCommerce integrations. You can trigger emails based on purchases, abandoned carts, or customer behaviors. Campaign Monitor has automation too, but it's not as sophisticated. Great for newsletters and one-off campaigns, but if you need dynamic, data-driven automation, Drip is ahead. Then, there's segmentation. Both tools let you create targeted email lists, but Drip gives you more flexibility. You can segment based on browsing history, order value, and customer lifecycle. Campaign Monitor has solid segmentation too, but it's not as tailored for e-commerce. If you're running a store, Drip's advanced targeting gives you an edge. The fourth thing, pricing. Campaign Monitor's pricing is straightforward. Pay per email sent, no hidden fees. Drip? It's based on subscribers, which can get expensive as your list grows. If you're scaling an e-commerce brand, Drip's pricing might sting. Campaign Monitor is more budget-friendly, but lacks Drip's e-commerce-focused features. Lastly, deliverability. Both have strong reputations, but Campaign Monitor has an edge. Their servers are optimized for high deliverability rates, meaning more emails hit inboxes. Drip is solid too, but some users report occasional issues with emails landing in promotions or spam. So, which is best? If you're in a simple email marketing campaign, Campaign Monitor works. If you're an e-commerce brand that needs powerful automation and segmentation, Drip is the better choice. But here's the thing, after testing both, I found an alternative that gives you better automation, top-tier segmentation, and better pricing. If you want the best tool for e-commerce marketing, check out the first link in the description. Through our link, you'll get the best free trial and exclusive benefits only available to our viewers.